Hi, in this video we will see how to install the Terraform over the Red Hat operating system. For that, I'm changing the I'm switching the user from normal user to the root user. After that, we have to install yum-utils. Once it's done, we have to add the repository using the yum config manager command. It will create a repository inside the etc yum repos.d. Here, this is the HashiCorp repository, which I did using this command. Now we have to install the Terraform using yum. Once it's done, let's check the Terraform version. Yeah, it's a 1.6.2. Thanks, guys. I will add the relative commands in the description of the videos. Thanks.